What is your opinion on?
I've been so big. Look at this. Look at it. No, actually. No, that looks so cool. See, that's where I am right now.
It's the first time in London. This is so exciting.
Yeah, this is crazy. I've never been.
I just love Cillian Murphy so much. Okay, I'm going to show you this edit of him. Is this a video?
Yeah.
Just fuck off. Don't dare post it. Iris, genuinely don't post it.
Really?
Oh,
I
no.
have one YouTube video.
Really, Margot?
Huh?
Really?
What?
Are you gonna cloud my freedom of speech? Can I show what's on your phone? Can you give a phone? Oh, Anne, what did I say? What did I say? What did I fucking say?
I've got to keep my streak,
Anne, I
babes.
said please not when you're hanging out with me. It's just unfair. You sit here in silence and you do
If you
it.
just let me do the workout. Like, I know I was being excessive last week, but like
So
I've just got to get my streak.
Margaret, can I please?
What?
Can you not cloud my freedom of speech? Am I allowed to post that?
I don't care.
Can we all
I just love Cillian Murphy.
smile us all?
Of course we can.
No. It's boring.
Oh.
It says you.
Why
Watch
don't
all
you
of
just-
Hey, I'm in
Yeah,
that
Why
one.
have we
These are
just
the ones
called
I've
smell
liked.
us up boring?
Margot,
What?
that's like fucking blasphemy.
What? That Cillian Murphy's pretty?
No, that Smallis Dog is boring.
Yeah. I agree.
All of these have been liked by me because I like them.
How many
Oh,
bottles
I
of
met
wine
Stanley
have we had?
Tucci, so I liked all of his videos.
3.
I really
That's
What
Hangovers
time
and
is it?
Confessions.
I think we need another
Spectre.
one.
20 past 11.
I think we
so
need another
hot.
bottle of wine.
See, I said this when we were in Waitrose, didn't I? I said,
I hate
really, only
white
one?
wines.
I didn't come to
Yeah,
Waitrose.
No.
So
Fucking
jarring.
Sorry.
It's the best person.
Also, Meghan Markle's really good.
Like, the inside is also got wine.
And it's
What time
really
over?
fucking wrong. And then I'll be comfy sleeping in my bed with my bear that I haven't had for a while. No, I'm getting back anyway.
Dedicated vlogger, I need everyone to know.
So by the way, we actually sent 50 cards to customers because we don't care about our benefits. And our best friends in it because he is on Home Run. Yeah, well, lots of privilege and got into a really high-end show. You're so gold.
See, gold, because we only know gold.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'd just like to ask again.
We just went to go see Legally Blonde performed by the Musical Society at Goldsmiths. What the hell, guys? It was so good. It was so fucking good.
It's your man. It's your man. Do you want to go get it?
Blonde girl, album, blonde.
The camera. Smile for the camera.
He hates that the people go to concerts. He hates how people go to concerts and like start filming it. Because realistically, you're never going to watch that video back. So you may as well just.
That's not
put
true,
your phone
I
in your
would.
pocket. Yeah, exactly. But like that's what you were saying.
I actually rewatch my vlogs constantly.
Yes, I would.
Okay, so I would like your opinion on the Sidemen.
Okay, so the size man
Yeah, so we're gonna be in the back
a
now.
YouTuber and it's like it's
We're vlogging the vlog. We're like proper YouTubers.
So what was everyone's opinion on Rudy's pizza?
So freaking good. All I can taste in my mouth right now is like
my opinion is that Abby gave me two plain pieces of bread and then she wiped all the toppings.
No, Abby, you did.
What's this from?
What?
It's made up. Did you guys make this up?
Yeah, we're just like really in sync, people.
Don't divorce.
Oh.
I just thought if I was pretty strong.
Oh, there we go. Wow. Guys. Guys, it's a really long journey.
The next station is Tottenham.